Hi there, welcome back to TechGuide, your favorite show where we break down tech in simple everyday language. Have you ever wanted to call someone but didn't want them to see your number? Maybe you are making a formal inquiry, reporting an issue, or simply value your privacy. Well, in today's episode, I will show you how to make your number appear as private or unknown when calling someone, whether you are on MTN, Vodafone, AirtelTigo, or Glo. Let's get started. Let's start with the simplest and quick method, that is hiding your number for just one call. So if you want to hide your number for just one call, this is what to do. Simply dial the following code before the person's number. So you dial #31# plus the person's number. So for example, if you are calling 0209241744, that happens to be my personal number. This is what you do. Dial #31# followed by the number 0209241744 and send. This is what it does. The code #31# tells your mobile network, don't show my number to the person I'm calling. Just mark it as private. So that is what the code actually does. This works on all major networks in Ghana, as I told you earlier. MTN, Vodafone, which is now Telecel, AirtelTigo, Glo, and all the networks in Ghana. This method is good for a one-time private call, anonymous feedback, and making inquiries without revealing your number. Method number 2, permanent method. So you hide for all calls. Now, let's say you want to keep your number hidden at all time, not just for one call. You can do that from your phone settings. So for Android users, open your phone app, tap the three dots at the top right and select settings. Scroll to calling account or more settings. It may vary by phone, so per the phone I'm using, I see more, which is more settings. Tap caller ID, so you could see caller ID, and select hide number. From now on, every call you make shows up as private or unknown on the receiver's phone. For iPhone users, go to Settings app, tap on Phone, then tap Show My Caller ID, and then turn it off. That is it. Your number will now be hidden for every call. Here are a few important things to keep in mind when using this method. Some people have their phones set to block calls from private numbers, so your call might not go through if you call such numbers. Emergency services, banks, and certain hotlines can still see your number even if you hide it. If you ever want to turn the settings off, just follow the same steps and choose Show Number instead. And there you have it, a simple way to protect your privacy when making calls in Ghana, whether you want to stay anonymous for just one call or all the time. Now you know exactly how to do it. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can never miss an episode of TechGuide, where tech meets everyday life. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.